So I'm gonna be doing a haul of the different things that I got today. And you guys probably noticed that I always wear this red shirt. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I just have so much of these giant red shirts, and they're like just the most comfortable thing, even if they look so ruined and like just so meh already. But yeah, I didn't really get much, just some basic stuff that, like, I got this from Uniqlo. A lot of the things I got are from Uniqlo because I really love their clothes. I mean, I feel like it's overhyped, but I love their clothes. So I got this, it's kind of just like a very loose polo. Yeah, it's not really a polo, it's like a button up. And I also got some sunglasses. I recently got contacts, and now that I have my contacts, I can wear sunglasses, which I never really get to wear. When I was really young, I used to just put the glasses like on top of my glasses because I would really want to wear sunglasses, but I can't, so now I can. And I've also been wanting to get these shorts from Uniqlo. I'll probably get the other colors as well because I love it. And I also got this, it's kind of like a camisole, but you can remove the straps and you can just make it like a simple tube top. And so this is nice for like wearing different button-ups, and you're gonna leave them open. They're so cute. And I also got some shorts, basic high-waisted shorts, some socks, because I don't have like, my socks are not nice anymore. Birkenstocks. So these are my first pair of Birkenstocks actually. I really wanted to get the clogs. Didn't have my size, so I was really sad, but I just got these instead. So cute. And also, look at what my cousin made me. It's so cute. Oh, this is Pomporin, I think. Yeah. And she crocheted, and I was so touched. She got it for me as a graduation gift, and I was like, what the heck? I can't believe, like, because I've never actually gotten something like this, so it's so cute. She's really good. I have a new stuffed toy in my collection, and it's not even a collection, like I just have so much, and it's not like I'm collecting or anything. I don't know if you can hear the rain right now, but it made me feel like wanting to share like how I'm just making friendship bracelets, and it's been raining a lot. Actually, it's been raining a lot, but like in intervals. Here in the Philippines, there are days that it's so hot and then suddenly it's just going to rain, which is crazy. I'm also watching Queen of Tears while following my pattern. I don't know, it's something about rainy days that make me feel so calm. You know, just the sound makes it so ambient. It's not the most productive time, to be honest. Like, I am not that productive when it's raining because of how much it feels so relaxing. I'm trying to cherish this moment to just relax and make some friendship bracelets without any stress or any kind of other reason other than to just be calm. So yeah.